What are you doing on the ground? What are you doing on the ground for? You're just not on the ground because you know this guy here. He's afraid of you. Yeah. He sure is. Are you afraid of her, Toby? He's like, where are you going? Don't leave me with her. What are you doing, you silly bird? You silly bird. Toby. She's not gonna get ya. She's like, oh my gosh. She's like, see, any normal day, he would just come walking right by. He'd follow me everywhere. But because she's in the way, he's like, no, I'm just gonna stay over here. Oh my goodness, it's funny. Now he comes. Good boy. Yeah. That's where you should stay.